Hello guys, this is biker Ganna and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are riding Royal Enfield Himalayan Sleet edition. Now we are on the Bisle Ghat road. We drove around 150 kilometers till now and we are headed towards Bisle Ghat viewpoint. You may be wondering why I am riding Royal Enfield Himalayan. Because I am planning to upgrade my bike. I had earlier Pulsar 200 NS. So as I got married, I want to ride with my wife. So I am looking for a bike which has good feel and comfort. So I am considering buying Royal Enfield Himalayan. So I took this bike out for a rent. So I will review the bike as I keep on riding till I reach the point. So enjoy guys. So let me tell you a few things about Bisle Ghat. This ghat is a connection between Subramanya to Sakleshpur. This ghat is very narrow, that's why vehicles are very less. And this recently it has been concreted. Otherwise this full ghat was in off-road condition. The weather is hot, but it's a little cool around here. And I'm quite enjoying the Himalayan riding through this ghat. Let me tell you a few things about Himalayan. Himalayan is a 411cc long stroke engine. It has around 24 bhp of power and around 30 Nm of torque. It has punchy low end and mid end, but there is nothing much in the higher rev. Because this is a test rented vehicle, it has too much vibrations, noise, etc. Funky. So riding this bike in low end, it feels very much vibey. The sitting posture is very comfortable. I am sitting comfortably. Even my wife is sitting comfortably, so no issues in that area. Also we went through many bad patches and the Himalayan really didn't disappoint us. It was gliding over potholes and all very nicely. 17 kilometers till Bisle point. So I'll continue the video in some time. It will be really nice in monsoon. Mirror self-adjusts itself whenever the bike vibrates. I'm getting cool breeze right now. And the off-road begins now. बघतोय बिग बिग Himalayan is pulling nicely with 2 people on board. Since we are 2 people on board, so I can't do that. Bisle Ghat viewpoint. So guys, this is Bisle viewpoint. From this viewpoint you can see Kumara Parvata over there. Subramanya is over there somewhere. So if you go to continue that side, you will reach Sakleshpur. And this point comes between Sakleshpur and Subramanya. It's a very calm place, very less tourists over here, and also the roads are in not good condition. That's why people are very less over here. Enjoy the view, guys. It's too hot over here. So there is one more viewpoint downstairs. Let's go there. So how was the Bisle viewpoint, guys? So now we are going down to Subramania to have lunch. The time is around 1:30 p.m. We done around 175 kilometers on this Himalayan, and we quite liked it. I found it a little heavy to pull backwards while parking and all, but that's okay. Temperature is around 39 degrees Celsius. The front tire in this bike has very less grip, so when I turn towards right side it slips a bit. Left side grip is there, but the right side grip has worn out, so I'm finding it difficult to turn right. I had to hold the handlebar tighter and it's causing pain in my arms. So guys, we almost reached home. We did around 300 kilometers on this Himalayan and we quite liked it. So there are 2 more bikes to try before deciding which to buy. Hope you enjoyed my video, and please comment how should I improve my future vlogs and all. थोड़ा tips भी दे दो यार. So if you like, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Ride safely, always wear helmets. Bye guys.